up, Lash Fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. If you haven't joined the family yet, make sure you do so by turning on our post notifications and hitting that subscribe button. Ladies, before we jump into this video, I want to say I'm so stoked, I'm so excited because we finally hit 1K. About a week ago, I had 500 subscribers and I told myself in 6 months I want to hit 1K. And here we are a week later. I think we're at like 1,013 at the moment. I just checked. And so yay, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't joined the family, you gotta join us. We got a lot of good stuff going on. So today we are doing a hybrid set, and I did a hybrid fill previously, so I'll link that. You guys can check it out if you haven't seen it yet. It's a good one too. But I have a full set hybrid, and it's so good. I used my lashes in D-Curl 0.15, and then I filled in with Classics. We used 0.15s in C-Curl. So it's got a good little like dimension. I love a hybrid set. You get to create, do some fun stuff. Anyways, ladies, let's jump into this video. You guys are gonna really like it. If you're excited, give the video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you think. That does conclude our hybrid set video. If you guys enjoyed it, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. We will be back with more videos. I have a ton of good content coming for you this week coming up. I will be posting twice a week. So I've kind of been like so overwhelmed lately with my lash line, by the way, which restocks next week. So if you guys haven't gotten your lashes yet, make sure to get them this time. We got a lot of goodies. I'm also doing my, I promised you guys I was giving a special something for hitting my 1K, so that is coming too, and that will be available as soon as my lashes launch as well. So you guys, yes, such good stuff coming. I have a ton of footage, a ton of ideas. If you guys have any further recommendations on videos, please DM me, comment below. I will be live in the comments. We will be back.